Alright guys, SD here. It's Sunday night. Been doing a lot of work on this. Doug recommended, since we've been having so many electrical problems with this, it came off of the line going to my positive battery, and positive, and ran a 5 amp fuse here, heavy duty one. That way if there's a short circuit, it'll protect all the components. And we've been running into problems. The rotor magnets weren't really lined up real good because the rotor was slightly out of balance, and I just busted my tail here and got everything nice and round on this thing now. Remarked the locations for the magnets, and I don't have the precision stuff to drill the holes to keep them dead center, so I went ahead and put them on with adhesive and then backed it up with security tape. I'd rather have it run good than look pretty. Anyway, again, we've got one bifilar. It's a trigger and run coil, and we've got 5 other ones. So I've basically got 11 run coils, and before it would hardly get up to maybe just a little close to 400 RPM after I added this last run coil, and made a video, and Doug listened to it. You could definitely hear something different, and Doug picked right up on it, and he was right. We went and checked the magnet spacing. We put a straight edge across. There was actually 2 magnets that were slightly out, enough to where it would cause some to fire and some not to fire, which threw everything way off. So anyway, let's clip it up and see what it does here. We haven't changed any resistors or anything. I did one test run. If you remember how long it took to get up to speed before, sure makes a big difference when everything's lined up right. And what we're doing is going to run a charge into these 2 worker batteries coming off the 75 AH battery here as our primary. We're probably somewhere right around 300, almost 400 milliamps right now. Just now getting ready to kick into gear here. You can tell the difference already in how it's increasing in speed. Pot's not even all the way open. We're just now passing 400 RPM. That's about where it would lag down now, and it's still increasing in speed. Big difference. Just slightly over 400 RPM. Show you how much more I've got on that. And off the bat, she jumped up to close to 800. Let's back it off just a little bit and let her go up slowly. about 700 milliamp right now. And the pot's not even all the way up. See if any of the resistors are getting hot now. Nothing yet. She's moving out pretty good. Yeah, it's a key thing, keeping your magnets in the center part of your cores all lined up just right. Makes all the difference in the world. And you don't want to accept second best. Yeah, I'm still right at 700 milliamp. Let's back it off a little bit. 600 right now. Everything's still nice and cool. Charge batteries are at 1345. Run batteries at 1241. Put the tape on there so we could have did an RPM check on it. Well, we'll have to do it later on. Anyway, big difference. Maybe be able to get those last two coils on here and see what this puppy will do. Yeah, everything's running nice and cool. Right at, I'd say 700 milliamp. Pretty close, and still got that much adjustment left. About an eighth to a quarter of a turn I still have left on the pot. But there she is. Doug caught it this time. I'm working with 10 man now. I want to set the another amp meter so I can measure how much amperage is going to the charge batteries, and he was telling me how he does it on his system. Well, this is a little bit different here, just so Tin Man knows for sure. These are the two wires here. This black one goes to the negative on the charge battery, and this one here comes off of the same line there and goes over to the positive on the primary, and this is the bus right here that runs to all my start run coils. So he was telling me to come off, I think, this negative here and put a mount back over here and run this wire in to the meter, and then run the other one back to this bus. I don't understand why it would come to the bus, but I'll try to get with him and find out exactly what's your. Anyway, if Tin Man, if you happen to see this video again, here's the two wires. This one comes off, it has a fuse on it. This one goes to the positive on my primary. This one goes over to the negative on the charge. This is the bus again that goes over here to all the start runs on the coils. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out what we got to do from there, because I really want to see what kind of amps we got going into the system versus how much we're using here. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. She's up and smoking good. See ya.